Hey, what up, everyone? My name is Dallas Pruitt, and this is the Daily Drip here on the Growthcast. If you are listening to this podcast, chances are that you're listening because you want to get better at something, you want to grow. That's the purpose of the Growthcast, to help people grow, help them become the best version of themselves, grow the best version of their business, accomplish their goals. Look, and as a business owner, as an investor, in life as a whole, I get it. You want to grow. Again, that's why we're here. But what I wanted to do today is help you understand that there are some things that most people underestimate when they make this decision to go all out in creating and building this best version of themselves. And those things that most underestimate are how long it's going to take and how hard it's going to be. Again, how long it's going to take them and how hard it is going to be on their journey to becoming the best version of themselves. One thing to remember today, the reminder for today, is that if you are serious about being great and doing great things, producing great work, you must be willing to do difficult things. This includes a lot of things that are going to be hard for you to do. Look, it's supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be difficult. Because again, if it was easy, everyone would do it. So today's reminder, if you're going through a rough patch, if it seems difficult, what you need to do is embrace the boredom of consistency. What you need to do is have a difficult conversation with yourself, a hard conversation. What you need to do is maybe have a difficult conversation with someone else. Bring them in, somebody you trust, somebody who can help you re-engage with the proper perspective. Because look, the truth is today and forever, difficult is not bad. Difficult is not impossible. Difficult isn't just possible. Difficult is exactly that, difficult, and you can do all sorts of difficult things. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you guys back here again tomorrow.